Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today, I'm excited to share with you the unboxing of my new sewing machine. I've had it for a while, but editing took some time. Now, let's dive into the unboxing and see what's inside the package. The package is quite heavy, so I had to use both hands to lift it. I originally intended to buy the 6805 model, but the seller mistakenly sent me the 6705. After returning it, I finally settled on the 4423 model. I've seen many people comment that they don't find the gray color of the 4423 appealing, but personally, I absolutely love it. The combination of red, gray, and white is classic, and its minimalist design with a strong industrial feel really speaks to me. It has a Bauhaus design vibe, which is a big reason why I chose the 4423. Let's take a closer look at the accessories that come with the 4423. There's a variety of presser feet, bobbins, and other tools. Even though I have 5 years of sewing experience, I'm still exploring and learning about some of these accessories. Each piece seems to add a new dimension to what the machine can do, and I can't wait to experiment with all of them. Unboxing this machine, I noticed the attention to detail in the packaging. Everything was securely placed to ensure it arrived in perfect condition. The manual included is very detailed and easy to follow, which is great for both beginners and experienced users like me. I highly recommend reading through it to get the most out of your sewing machine. I've had this machine for a few days now and have used it enough to share my initial impressions. Overall, I am quite pleased with it. One thing to note is that it is a bit noisy compared to electronic models, especially when sewing at higher speeds. However, this is a small trade-off considering the machine's powerful motor and sturdy build. It can handle heavy fabrics like denim and leather with ease, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to take on more challenging projects. Another feature I appreciate is the speed control. Initially, I was considering another model that had buttons for speed control, but I discovered that the 4423 uses a foot pedal to control speed. This allows for a high degree of flexibility, letting me sew very slowly or quickly as needed. I find this method of control more intuitive and enjoyable than button controls. It really lets me fine-tune my sewing pace, which is essential for different types of stitches and fabrics. So far, I've used the machine to make some long hair ties and simple fabric bags. I also plan to tackle more complex projects soon, like custom clothing pieces and home decor items. The stitch quality is excellent, with even and consistent stitches every time. The automatic needle threader is a fantastic feature that saves a lot of time and frustration, especially for those of us who struggle with threading needles. Additionally, the drop-in bobbin system is incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to see how much thread is left on the bobbin, and replacing it is quick and straightforward. This feature alone makes the 4423 a joy to use, as it minimizes downtime and keeps you focused on your sewing. If you have any questions or sewing tips, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to read and respond to them. Sharing our knowledge and experiences helps us all become better at what we do. Plus, it's always fun to learn new tricks and techniques from fellow sewing enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Amazon affiliate link in the description and the first pinned comment for more information on the 4423 sewing machine. Your support through these links helps me continue creating content and sharing my passion for sewing. I truly appreciate it. See you next time, bye.